My name is James Taylor. I'm a professor of theater here at Pomona College, and I'm also the resident set and lighting designer for the Department of Theater and Dance. And I'm the set designer for Dryland. The play would be a real challenge to work on. It's a very serious play with very topical themes. The play is set in Florida in a women's locker room, the locker room for the women's swim team. So the research was not really extensive. We didn't have to look at a particular period. It's contemporary, so we didn't have to look at a particular period.
And then next he wants me to come swim my best while he's taping me from under the water, like invading all that space.
Obviously, every set designer works differently. All of us begin by talking with the director about the play. Most designs are developed in three-dimensional form in the form of a model, or they're developed in a kind of a three-dimensional form inside a computer. So it's like virtual rendering or virtual model making. Very few designers still do very elaborate painted sketches. What would happen after the white model is that there would be a color model made, or there would be what are called painter's elevations, which are colored scale representation of what the color ought to be. This is a scale model, so what that means is that a particular dimension in the model equals a dimension in real life. And it's important that we make scale models scale to scale because we have something to kind of relate to. So the first thing that I typically do is to build a figure. So you can see a little cutout figure of a woman and young woman in a swimsuit. Then from there we begin to develop the rest of the design. We wanted the set to be quite claustrophobic. And so you can see that it's rather small. The upstage part of the floor is higher than the lower part of the floor. And the purpose of this is to make the actors kind of lean forward and everything comes forward. So it makes the space look deeper, but it also makes it look more intimate. And that's important for us. And then the third thing that adds to the claustrophobia is the partial ceiling. The lighting designer can then project onto the frame. Also, the projection designer is going to have an opportunity to project on the walls, perhaps project onto this ceiling as well. It's kind of like a skylight. So this is the main entrance to the room. There's a simple bench. There's a big series of lockers, and then over here is an entrance to the swim pool, and then this is an entrance to the rest of the locker room complex. This area is a shower. One of the features of the play and one of the real challenges for the play is that we're going to have a real working shower. So the actresses will be taking a shower in one of the scenes, which is really exciting and really fun, but it greatly increases the challenges for our technical director.